Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to freeze panes in Excel. So here I'll be teaching how to freeze panes some Excels. So here to freeze some panes in Excel, as you can see right now. When I scroll down, I can see the top, and when I scroll to the right, I can see the left first row. So what do you do? Here it is. I'll give you the answer. First thing you need to do is go to View, and then once you're here at View, you will see this option here. As you can see, so we have freeze panes, freeze top row, and freeze first column. So the freeze pane, so what it does, keeps rows and columns visible when the rest of the worksheet scrolls based on current selection. So as you can see right now, so we're gonna click on right here, and as you can see, boop, 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 boop. There you go, as you can see. Now, we're just gonna remove that and freeze. Now, how about let's select this part right here, like this right here. Then click on that, boop. Then boop, 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 boop. There you go, as you can see right here. There you go, as you can see. As you can see right there. And move to the right, it stays like there. So yeah, there you go. But if you're a little bit too lazy to do that, let's say you want this top part right here, wanna click anything, just go right here and click on freeze top row. After clicking on freeze top row, you can now go down. Pop, 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 pop. There you go. As you can see, you can go way as much down as you want, and nothing will happen. See? So I can go to 2,000. Let me try to hit 5,000. Okay, 3,000, 4,000, and the last number is 5,000. There you go. As you can see, now we're gonna go back up. No, I'm just kidding you. No, I'm just kidding you guys. So we're just gonna go back up. There you go. Now, let's say you don't want the up, you just want the right. Okay, so we're gonna freeze the right row right there. So now when we go to the right side, oops, as you can see, I'm at the left side. There you go. As you can see, you can now move it like that, and it stays right there, and you can see it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So yeah, now to unfreeze it, click unfreeze, and to freeze it back, let's choose which one do you want, and then click on keep freeze it. So it's based on the current selection if you want. So yeah, there you go, guys. So that's about it. And a quick tip for you guys: let's say you really want to like freeze this area right here, this area, but you don't want to include the top. Let's say right here, like that area right there. When you click on that, there you go. That's how you do it. There you go. So you can see, like you see, it's just slice it up right there. Make a gap right there, as you can see. So to do that, as you can see right there, the 28 just left. Then you can go down. The 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 is there. So now we'll unfreeze it. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below. And there, I hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, there you go, guys. Thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.